thought about that famous African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And I found that you could also go fast and go far if you go together with people. This is the foundation of Fashion Africa sourcing trips. We started off with Monday, going to visit Wax Print House, seeing the whole process of the production, how they print it, how they spin the cotton, everything, they weave in. It was amazing, such an awesome day out.
Culturally, what the benefits are, what you need to know to come and work in Africa. You can't just walk in here thinking that some country that's been doing manufacturing since 1700s, even though they've been doing fabric since 1700s, there's a whole another way of working here, and the infrastructure is still being developed, and you have to be ready.
Tuesday we did so much more. We went all the way to Cape Coast to visit an amazing cooperative of women batikas.
Global Mass came into being in 2003 with 6 co-founders. These women say, if you help me to grow my business and you don't find market for me tomorrow, I will not be here.
I think it was very important for me to participate on this trip simply because I wanted to source new factories, new textile makers, new artisans, and understand not only the type of business they do, but the way they conduct their business. And also I think it's important to understand the nuances and the interconnections between the makers, larger business, even down to government, as well as at the end of the chain with designers and customers. And I feel as a designer and as a consultant, I'm better able now to operate, in Ghana, and also advise clients how to operate in Ghana.
Now Thursday was a very special day because we went all the way to Keta, to a town called Keji, and we met with the Kente weavers. Now Kente is very traditional to Ghana. For this trip, that was a very special experience.
Every day was fun. Every day was fun. We went to the Volta quite a few times. I'd loved seeing the rich heritage of my people with the Kente weavers and the basket weavers, and just to see the hard work that goes into it. Just a wonderful experience overall, and I recommend anyone to do it.
Friday now was a little bit more industry specific. We visited different types of factories of different sizes. So these are garment makers, CMT units. We visited those with 800 workers, sewers, tailors, seamstresses, everything, Gerber pattern makers, through to the smaller units which had about 12 tailors there.
I came with some ideas, I came with some questions, and I wanted them answered. And what this trip indeed did in Ghana was allow me to meet face to face with fabric designers, fabric makers, kente weavers, basket weavers, to ask them process questions. You know, how, what, where, when, how could I do this myself, and how can I take it to the market? It actually even allowed me to think of certain things of how I can even help young people as a trainer, as a marketer. And what I saw was gaps to the market, and I also saw areas of development that I could use or share with other people. If you're in the industry, if you want to enter the industry, if you're thinking about certain things you want to do, book now on this trip. It not only helps your research, it saves time. I've met some amazing people that I'm going to keep in contact with, and guess what? It's going to allow me to take my dream, my passion, and my goals further.